InvideoAI allows you to upload personal media files like images and video clips, providing a customizable foundation for your projects. This feature is especially valuable for brands, marketers, or individuals who want to maintain consistency with specific visual elements or unique footage. Here's how you can upload your media, step by step. Once you open your project, navigate to the left panel, where you'll find an option labeled Uploads or My Media. Upload files from your device. Click the Upload button, then browse your device to select the images and videos you want to use. InVideo supports common media formats like JPEG, PNG, MP4, and MOV, so you can be confident that your files will be compatible. Organize and edit uploaded files. After uploading, your files will appear in the My Media section, ready for easy access. Simply drag and drop the images or videos onto the timeline or canvas to add them to your project. Adjust your media. InvideoAI offers simple editing tools for resizing, cropping, and repositioning your media. This ensures each element fits your project's dimensions and layout preferences. You can also apply filters, add transitions, or adjust opacity for seamless integration into your project's visual style.